It's great. So here we're looking at, actually just on our way to Belgian Gulches, here we're looking at David Swanson's cool build in his fireplace. You can see this. And David, I don't know if you're still here. I apologize, I didn't get to this a little bit ago when you commented. But this is David's really cool build. He's got a riserless core here. You can see he's just got a real simple metal frame around it, and he put glass here where the end of the burn combustion chamber is, so he can watch that burn. And then he's got this radiator, and you can see he's got a shroud around it, and he uses a fan to blow the air all around this radiating box and heat out into the room. So that's a pretty neat way to use a riserless core in a different type of space. Now, you know, there's a lot of ways you could go from here. You could go over to the side and build a brick bell in the side there and extract even more heat. But for just a simple, you know, something to play with, temporary, no permanent thing, doesn't mess up his house, this is a cool way to do that. I don't know if he does, Mart. We'd have to ask him. He was here a few moments ago. Perhaps he's still around. I have a few more photos I'll try and share, but they don't show much more than that. So let's see, I'm at the end of the rope there. I'm going to go back through these, and there's one more picture of his build. So cool, isn't it? And I think that's his blower fan, right? I think this is blowing in, and then it's going to come out here outside the shroud. So pretty neat way to go.